So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will show you other newly launched best Solana blockchain meme coin here. Okay, friends, this meme coin was just launched 8 days ago, and within 8 days, this meme coin is pumped almost 800% here. Okay, and within just 8 days, this meme coin has gained 23,000 holders. Okay, so these are some very unique thing about this meme coin. That's why this meme coin can be the next big meme coin here. Okay, can be the next big meme coin on Solana ecosystem. Okay, and maybe we can see its major exchange listing soon here. Okay, bear's name. Okay, you can see bear coin's name and current market cap ranking 351 number. Currently coin have 3 zeros in its price, 0.3016 current price. That dropped by almost 5% in last 24 hours. You can see just 7 days ago this meme coin was launched here. Okay, and here you can see its market cap is 180 million dollars. So this is really amazing, friends. Within just 7 days, this meme coin has gained the market cap 168 million dollars. So 160 million dollars. This is really amazing. And still this meme coin is not listed on any tier 1 exchange, not listed in Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Bybit, everywhere. Okay, but still is last 24-hour trading volume is amazing. $56.7 million trading volume. So this is really amazing, friends. Okay, and here you can see just 23 hours ago this meme coin has made its all-time high. Okay, from where we are just 10% down, and we are 968%. Okay, nearly 1000% up then its all-time low. They were just 8 days ago. Okay, right now this meme coin is available on MEX exchange. Okay, LBank. Okay, and BingX. These are the some central exchanges where this meme coin is listed. Here you can see listed on also on Bitget exchange. Then these are the some Solana dexes where this meme coin is listed. But else right now this meme coin is popular very much here. Okay, and trending here. So maybe we can see soon is listing on KuCoin exchange, or maybe Bybit can list this meme coin, or maybe some other major exchanges can list this meme coin, because here you can see the trading volume in last 24 hours amazing. Okay, $56.6 million trading volume. Okay, and market cap of $160 million. So this is really amazing. Okay, and here you can check out its holders that are really amazing within just 8 days. Okay, within just 8 days this meme coin has, yeah, the holder 23,551 holder. So this is really amazing, friends. This is not a joke, this is really amazing. That's why this meme coin can be the next big meme coin on Solana ecosystem. You can also check out their website. Here you can see they have provided you is all details here. So friends, number of holders within just 7 days is amazing. Market cap is amazing. Last 24-hour trading volume is awesome. Okay, so these are some amazing thing about this meme coin. That's why we can see its major sale listing soon. And my price prediction about bear coin, okay, is that maybe we can see this meme coin to still kill 2 zeros here. Okay, still this meme coin has potential because it's just starting of this meme coin. Okay, and if this meme coin will continuously trending here, and then definitely this meme coin has potential to kill these 2 zeros, and then its price will be traded on $0.01 or $0.02 at that type of series. Still this meme coin has 100x potential here. Okay, its market cap is $160 million, but we can see its market cap up to 5 to maybe $10 billion by the end of this coming mega bull run here. Okay, friends, what's your price prediction about this bear coin? You can must comment down below. Are you holding this meme coin or not? What do you think? Can Binance will list this meme coin in future or not? You can must comment down below.